So, how to fix we cannot send a text message to this phone number on your Twitter. So, as you may know, guys, there is a new problem on the Twitter. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So, all what you wanna do is actually there is three ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to restart your phone and then reopen Twitter, and because sometimes the problem is just from the phone. The second way is you have to open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS, and then search for the Twitter in the search bar and click on the update option to update it. And the third way is you need to go to the settings, go to the wireless, go to the Wi-Fi, and then disable the Wi-Fi like this and then enable it again. That's it, guys. Very easy and simple tutorial. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.